Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about diet chart and natural remedies to gain weight fast at home. Weight gain products can be commonly availed from market at present. Selecting the right product from store may not be an easy task for all. How to gain weight fast from home? This query is common from skinny people. Majority of the weight gain supplements functions by increasing the appetite level of user. It promotes digestion and keeps your body fit and healthy. In this presentation, we are going to see the diet chart to gain weight fast at home. Ashwagandha root extract is one among the natural remedies to gain weight fast at home. This herbal cure can be commonly available from market in the form of extracts, capsules and pills. In order to get effective result, feel free to consume milk added with ashwagandha root extract daily. Regular consumption of custard apple is found to be very effective to promote the weight gain function in body. So as to obtain effective health result, you can consume custard apple juice daily. Similar to custard apple, you can also include blessed thistle products with natural weight gain supplements. This herbal cure has been used for decades for the production of weight gain products. In order to obtain the best health advantage, never hesitate to include blessed thistle products in daily diet. Similar to blessed thistle, you can also make use of muskmelon juice to improve the weight gain function in body. Compounds in this fruit are found to be very effective to increase the appetite level of user. In order to obtain the best health result, people can make use of fruit juices like mango milkshakes in diet schedules. Indigestion is a common cause of low appetite and weight loss troubles. This condition can be easily alleviated by including mango milkshakes in daily diet. High fiber in mango milk naturally promotes the production of digestion enzymes in body. This feature in turn reduces the risk of constipation safely and naturally. Dry raisin is another food item to promote the weight gain function in body. High iron composition in this food source can naturally relieve the troubles due to fatigue problems. So as to obtain quick results, you can make use of banana milkshakes in daily diet schedules. It promotes instant energy release and alleviates the troubles due to tiredness, indigestion and constipation. Egg is a complete food that can promote the weight gain function in body. Those who wish to build up muscles can make use of egg white in their daily diet schedule. Lack of exercise is a common cause that can lead way to low appetite level and underweight troubles. This condition can be alleviated by doing regular exercises for at least 30 minutes per day. Lack of enough sleep can also give rise to underweight troubles. In order to alleviate this difficulty, feel free to get enough sleep at night. Phyto Fat Capsule is one among the best herbal products to increase muscle mass in body. 100% herbal composition is a key feature of this product. You can make use of this product with any other supplement. In order to obtain the best health advantage, you can also make use of super health capsules in daily life. Increasing the appetite level of user is a key feature of this product. For the best result, follow a lifestyle devoid of alcohol and tobacco products. You can find more details about PhytoFat and Super Health capsules at naturagain.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.